Before we start, I have my bowl which I'm going to use. You turn your flour into the bowl, and I have my real oil, native oil. You shake very well. This Bambara nut, if you want to get the exactly color you need, your taste of color, you're going to add a lot of oil. I add my oil, shake very well. You put your oil first. You see how I have the 75 cl of oil. I wash my hand in a running tap. So you use your hand, mix the oil with the flour. I add my flour. I see that this won't be enough for me and my family. I add more of it. My husband loves this so much, so I need to give him what he needs. You see, it's not oily. You still add more oil. Oil is the color. So when you're done mixing, see the color? It has given me what I want. By the time I add water, the color will still come out more. So here, let's begin with the mix. Here I have my warm water. I have my warm water. It's just a lukewarm water. Please don't use water that will burn your hand. You pour to it. You use your hand. You mix. Remember, don't use hot water, so you can be able to mix with your hands. It's a lukewarm water. It's thick. I still need to add more water. I still add more. You mix it very well. You know why I love using hands? Some people prefer using their spatula, but why I love using hand, I will get the quality I want. It will be well dissolved. So you will do it until it's well mixed. You said this when I don't know this Bambara Nuts. The mixture, in fact, I learned this from my mother-in-law. She's good in this. She loves this. It's her business. When she was mixing it, I look at it that how can you be using your hand, your bare hand to mix this? Is there no way to mix it? She told me that this is the easiest way. But the day I prepared it myself, I tasted it. It was so lovely. Ever since then, I have never dealt without Bambara Nut, which is Okpa. See, Igbo people call it Okpa. Very delicious. You keep mixing until you get the right mixture. You make sure that all the lumps are dissolved. This okpa have nutritional value, and it has its own taste, natural taste, without anything. You know, if this were to be beans, you think of getting fresh tomato, fresh groundnut oil, all spices to make it spicy. But okpa don't need that. The most important ingredient okpa need is palm oil, salt, and pepper. It will still give you exact taste you need. So we'll keep processing it until we get the right mixture.